Hello everyone, welcome to AM Focus YouTube channel. This is Venkat. So let us have a look at an update in the chart of silver here. We had mentioned in our previous videos that the instrument is in the process of corrective sequence for this decline from a 29.8 to 24.4. This is a corrective structure. So let me show you our previous update. This is our previous update. So in which we had mentioned that it may retest 28 to $29 again here. So from there the instrument retested from here. The instrument directly retested the range of 28 to 29 as we mentioned in our previous update. So now we have a little bit changes in our labeling because we still have more options in this corrective sequence. So let us jump into the first option. In our first option, we can consider the corrective sequence WXY for this decline has been completed already. So we can label wave X or B here in this peak. So in this option, it may fall overall from here up to the minimum of previous low 23.4. So sustaining below 23.4, we may see more downside up to $19. So this is our first option. So if we label wave X or B here, it may fall overall from here itself. So this is our first option. Let us jump into the second option. The second option is it may bounce. It may bounce from here. It may react higher from here to retest the same range again, 28 to $29 from here to make it more complex. To make it more complex correction. So this W will become here and X and Y. So it will be like this: a regular flat correction, 3, 3, and 5. It could be a double 3 correction, 3, 3, 3. So in this option, it may retest 28 to $29 again, and then will fall again towards previous low. And let us take a look at the third option. The third option is a triangle. So if it is a W, wave X will be a triangle like A, B, C, D, E. So in this triangle option, it may bounce from here itself to retest the same range of 28.5 to 29. Sorry, 28 to 29, and then will fall again from here. So these are all the options. All the options are suggesting sell on rise. Buying is not recommended. So breaking this support, we may expect the minimum target of 25.4 and even more up to 23.4. So breaking 23.4 previous low, only we may see more downside up to $19. So these are all the options here in this chart of silver. Any structural changes will be updated soon in next video. Thank you.